In this tutorial we will discuss the comprehensive workflow of creating veneers. From digital records to final printed veneers. The digital records contain first one frontal facial smile picture and an intraoral scan. The picture has to be frontal, big smile, open lips. The intraoral scan has to be clean, with the palatal area included. Make sure you don't have any holes in the scan and also enough gingival soft tissue above the gingival margins. In the next step we create the digital patient. The SmileFy definition of the digital patient is, all digital records of the patient, calibrated. We can of course add the DICOM file if you have it available, facial scans, jaw movements recorded with mod jaw. First we set 3 points on the intraoral scan. The same 3 points on the picture. The order is important. Please follow the numbers on the circles. Red is screen left, orange is middle and green is right. In order to adjust a point on the intraoral scan, you click on it, it flashes, and you click again on the spot you want the point to be. The most accurate the points are placed, same area on the picture and intraoral scan, the better the automatic calibration. You can still adjust the position of the intraoral scan using the tools to zoom in and out, move and rotate the model. The project structure of SmileFy is always the same. Patient documentation, calibration, digital patient. Afterwards, 2D simulation, 3D projects.